Cooking idioms in English. Have a lot on one's plate. Meaning to have a lot of things to do or deal with. For example, I can't take on any more tasks right now. I already have a lot on my plate. Cut corners. Meaning to do something in the easiest or quickest way, often sacrificing quality. For example, don't try to cut corners when you're cooking. Like a hot knife through butter. Meaning to do something very easily and smoothly. For example, the experienced chef chopped the vegetables like a hot knife through butter. Have bigger fish to fry. Meaning to have more important things to do. For example, I can't worry about that small issue right now, I have bigger fish to fry. Spice things up. Meaning to make something more exciting or interesting. For example, let's spice things up and try a new recipe for dinner tonight. In hot water. Meaning to be in trouble. For example, I forgot to submit the report and now I'm really in hot water with my boss. Stir the pot. Meaning to cause trouble or controversy, especially deliberately. For example, I don't want to stir the pot, but have you heard about the recent office gossip? Full of beans. Meaning full of energy and enthusiasm. For example, after a good night's sleep, I'm full of beans this morning. Spill the beans. Meaning to reveal a secret. For example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party. Fill in the blanks. 1. With exams, a part-time job, and family obligations, these days. 2. I can't deal with minor issues right now, Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.